Welcome to our new video. This time we received a new and stylish bag from Inateck. The so-called LB1405 has got 6 compartments, including the main compartment in which one can fit a 15-inch MacBook Pro or a 14-inch laptop. But wait, there's room for more. The other main compartment has enough space for any possible files or sheets of paper. You can also fit pens and your cell phone or a calculator in the smaller pockets. Sadly, thicker things won't fit inside. At the rear, there's also a pocket with a zip tie. This with an empty weight of only 760 grams and measuring 36 x 28.5 x 8 centimeters. This bag is truly practical. Another plus are the nice blue and grey colors in the jeans style. The bag is manufactured from polyester and microfibers that make it waterproof and scratch resistant. All of this is highly practical, and one simply notices the premium quality of the material. Even fully loaded, the bag is comfy thanks to the adjustable belt, which can be removed. In conclusion, we can only say that this product, with its €30 price, is on the cheaper side, but quality-wise it's very good.